is a standing wave. It's a wave that goes up and down. It repeats its motion. It's like it's standing still. It's going up and down, but it's not moving. It's not moving back. So we're just going to explore a little bit better what happens as we put different frequencies into the string. So when we pluck a guitar string, like putting every possible frequency into it, it just picks out the ones that can resonate. But here we've got this little vibrator thing that vibrates up and down. Hopefully it doesn't matter that let's stretch that out. Okay. And we're gonna try just changing the frequency and see what happens. Nothing happens.
Perfect.
Here we go.
We're away. It's good.
That's cool. Oh.
That's the.
Can you make it go faster?
What do you mean when you say faster?
Like,
Frequency.
Higher frequency.
That looks like a harmonic.
We're getting quite close to something there. What's that?
There's a fixed point right in the middle.
Yeah.
A node.
So that's the second half. That's the second harmonic. The first overtone.
And did you notice when we weren't quite on the right frequency, how nothing happened?
That's well buzzy.
So you've got to...
It's weird.
So it
Get out, Todd.
only resonates when we get the frequency exactly right. And at the moment, that's something like about 6 hertz. So we can try and halve that frequency and see if we can pick out the fundamental. Probably going to smack the desk, but let's see if it works. So as soon as we get off that 6 hertz, it stops working, but hopefully...
Hold on.
Yo. Can you get?
Nice.
Can you go up to 12 hertz?
So there we go,
Wait,
around
so
about...
what would be the third one?
Around about 2.9 according to the dial. 2.9 hertz, and we're getting the fundamental wave. We could go for 12.
What about 9?
Could go for 9. Should we try 9?
Yo.
Wait, does that make it so that...
Yo, it's not quite right. Yeah, it's close though.
Nah.
Let's go with a chance.
You can see it in the shadow.
Give it a chance.
Oh, alright.
Yeah.
That's what we wanted.
That's actually kind of cool.
Is it kind of cool?
So that thing we talked about before, like the fundamentals of how you create a standing wave. So this is vibrating the string, the end of the string up and down, but it's also acting as a fixed end. And the wave that's created by this travels down, reflects off here, and travels back the other way. And so what we end up with is 2 waves that are identical, but they're travelling in opposite directions through the same medium. And so we get the fixed end having a node, because a fixed end causes the reflected wave to be inverted, and therefore it always interferes destructively with the incident wave. And then in between that, when it's resonating, we get the nodes, which is where the destructive interference occurs, where the 2 waves are exactly out of phase, 180 degrees out of phase with each other. And then at the antinode, you can see that the string's moving both up and down, and that's where the waves are interfering constructively. And notice that when the string here is up, it's down here, up here. So it's always like doing the opposite to the one
Can we try to
next
take
to
a
it,
photo?
the adjacent one.
You can't tell on this camera, of course. It's just.
Okay. Who wants to tune it up to the next frequency?
I think it's not tight enough. Oh no, never mind.
As we change the tension, remember you'll be changing the wave speed, and so you'll change the frequency it resonates at.
Oh,
Nice one.
a little bit in the nodes are just.
little bit moving.
You kind of can pick up that it's doing the opposite there, eh?
Yeah.
Can someone get the fifth one? So what's the upper limit? How many of these things?
What do you mean that's 5?
No, it's six. No, it's six. No, 'cause you got one.
You've got 6 balls.
1, 2, 3.
6 balls. Oh, oh, that was cool.
What the hell?
That's 7.
There's like 14 now.
That's 8.
Yo, look at the nose on that one. Oh, that's one being before. I can't remember.
Yo. How many have you got now? I can't even see this.
Man.
Down there. What did they say? 1.
I can kind of see them.
How many? I can't even count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
8 can't want it.
So they get kind of finer and finer, like when you low down the tunings, you don't have to get it that perfect, but when you get really high frequency, like they're
There we
getting
go.
closer and closer together,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
you've really got to get it right.
12.
12 harmonic.
Okay, 12. Limit overtime.
How's the frequency there, eh?
Hear it.
You can't really think you see that.
Yeah. Try going much higher.
Whoa, how much higher does this thing go to?
Whatever end is gonna be going
Oh my god, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I think it was 18.
I have to be zoomed in to see it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on, man.
Nah. On the camera it's just straight.
Yeah, it's not even you, man.
What is
Grab it.
That's like,
You can just
that's
click
100%.
the bass and all that one.
I don't think so. Yo, face. I'm gonna. Goodbye, something on your more.
Sounds like a phone.
It's not even moving. It's weird. I've got that,
Oh, here we go. That's a bit. That's 1, 2, 3. Oh, how? 4, 5, 6,
Yeah, that's 100.
8.
No, that's
No, I
1,000.
can't count.